Okay, so we will have optics for the next topic. Okay, so optics is a study of light. No, kanina we studied sound. Ngayon naman, it's regarding light. So parehas lang naman yung properties ng waves sa sound and light. Yun nga lang, ibang level, ibang approach ito. Okay, so for optics, this is a sabi ko kanina, light is the only particle that is massless at ang speed ng light ay mabilis. Ano? 3 times 10 to the 8 meters per second in vacuum. And as of now, wala pang nakaka-surpass sa speed ng light. Hanggang ngayon, wala pang nakaka-prove na may mas mabilis na matter sa kanya. Why? Because it's the only particle that is massless. Okay, so, masabi ko kanina, meron tayong Doppler effect of light. So, the frequency of light changes depending on the speed also of the motion, speed of your motion. Ganon. No? So, that is Doppler effect of light. Sometimes you perceive na kala mo green pero blue, red pala, or red tapos green pala. Mga ganon. No? Meron tayong sinasabing shift in the frequency. Okay. So, for color addition of light, sabi ko kanina, we have RGB as the basic color. Ano? So, red plus green is yellow. Red plus blue is magenta. And blue plus green is cyan. So, ito yung CMY. Itong RGB, ito yung nasa setting ng printers natin. Ito namang CMY, nasa setting din ng printers natin, but these are the secondary colors of light. Okay, so let's look at this simulation that I have shown at simulation. Pag sinabi kasi natin na red plus green plus blue, di ba? It's a combination, these are the primary colors of light. And sa light, magkaiba ang light sa crayon. Okay? Kasi 'di ba sa crayon, pag inad natin lahat ng kulay, magiging black. Okay? For optics, addition of all colors results to white. Kaya makikita nyo dito sa simulation, yung tao perceives na white yung nakikita niya because it's a combination of red plus green plus blue, no? Pag tinanggal natin, it's only red and green. So, the person would perceive it as yellow. No? Now, lagyan ko ulit ng blue. Tanggalin ko na yung green. So, red, this is the red, this is the blue. The person would perceive it as magenta. No? And, pag tinanggal ko naman yung red, it would be green plus blue. This is cyan. No? So, this is the color addition of light. And this is what creates what we call optical illusion sa crayon. Ito yung, kung may interference ang sound, may interference din ang light. Okay, how about yung sinasabi kong polarization? Polarization is the filtering of colors. Okay, so this is the visible regime. And we have a certain filter here. This is polarization. For example, meron akong filter na kulay yellow. Yellow. Yan. Yellow. So, anong ibig sabihin nito? So, ito, pag lumabas dito sa source, it is white light. Ano? Tapos, let's say, i-off natin yan without polarization, makikita niya white light yan. Ano? Pero pag naglagay tayo ng polarizer, ang mangyayari is the person would perceive it yellow. Why? Kasi ito, lahat ng nandito below yellow, which is red, orange, and orange, are absorbed by the eyes, and lahat ng beyond yellow, so which means yellow, green, RGB, indigo, violet, are reflected. So, yung nakikita nating kulay yellow, these are the reflections. Kung ano yung kulay na nakikita natin, it is reflected by our eyes. Okay? So, for example, if you see green, green is reflected in our eyes. Ibig sabihin, colors red, orange and yellows are absorbed. And the rest, green, blue, indigo, violet, are the ones reflected. So, ito reflected. Ito naman, pag blue. So, lahat ng andito, red, orange, yellow, green, are absorbed. And lahat ng blue, indigo, violet are reflected. So, yun yung nangyayari sa light. Ano? So, that is the color addition of light. That is for the color addition. Now, how about some, in terms of lenses, sa geometric optics? Okay. So, ito na, yung sinasabi natin sa optics. Ano? So, for optics, meron tayong, kunyari, this is your lens. Ang tawag dito ay convex lens. Convex lens. Ano? Convex lens. For lenses tayo. Iba sa mirror. Okay? So, for convex lens, itong object na to, ang tawag dito real. Real pa rin siya. And this is the image. Ito ay real pa rin. Real siya pag ang object at ang image ay nasa magkabilang side. Okay? Magiging magiging virtual yan pag ang object at image ay on the same side. Okay? Or on the same side. So, ano yan? If this is the optical axis, itong nasa blue na ito, okay? Part of the optical axis, this is the center, dito. This is the focus, okay? And this is focus number 1, and this is focus number 2. So, what will happen to the object? Kunyari, pag kunwari nilapit ko siya sa lens, tingnan niyo yung image. Tingnan niyo yung image. So, pag nilalapit ko siya sa lens, ano nangyayari? So, the image is inverted. Tama ba? It is inverted. Pagdating niya dito sa may focus, masyado na siyang malaki. Ano? Pagdating niya dito sa focus. Yan. Okay? So, nagkakaroon tayo. Ang tawag dito, ray diagram. Yan. So, this is for optics. Okay? The image is inverted. Yan. Okay? So, this is for geometric optics. Yan. Simulation lang tayo. Okay? So, this is the focus. Ang mangyayari kasi dito, ganyan, masyado na malaki yung ating image. It is too enlarged. Ganyan. Okay? And it is enlarged and natawag doon, upright. Hindi niya natin nakikita kasi it's beyond already the simulation. So, yung pinakita ko kanina is some simulation that is a convex lens. Ano? So, what happened? If this is the object for a convex lens, the image is inverted. No, depende ngayon, yung size ng image, it depends on the position of the object. Yun, it depends on the position of the object. So, pag papalapit ka malapit ka sa lens, lumalaki yung object. It becomes enlarged. Okay? So, that is convex lens. Now, we have also concave lens. Bakit siya concave? Because, or this is what we call diverging lens. Bakit siya concave? Because of the physical attribute niya na pa-cave siya na ganon, sexy. Okay? Anong difference niya sa converging lens? Sa converging lens kasi, ang tawag dito, converging lens because all rays converges at one point. Converges at one point. Ito naman kasi, all rays diverges na nagwawara siya, gano'n. So, kumakalat siya. So, ano yung nangyayari? Ano yung laging output ng isang concave lens? It's always upright, pero usually it's smaller. It's always upright and it's smaller. Ano yung application nito? Ito yung ginagamit nila sa grocery, di ba? Pagpapasok ka kunwari sa grocery and you see a mirror, so makikita lahat ng tao at on a wide range. So yun yung sa concave mirror pala yun. I'm sorry, concave mirror. Sa concave lens, sa telescope ang gamit nito. Sorry. Nalito ako. Okay, so for concave mirror, ito yung sinasabi ko. Okay? For concave mirror ito, magkaiba ang mirror sa lens. Okay? Sa lens, glass siya. Ito naman, sa mirrors, opaque siya. Opaque, no? Alam niyo naman yung sa mirror. Sa mirror naman, if this is the object, okay, para siyang parabola, ito yung vertex, tas focus ito, and twice the focus is the center. Bakit center ang andito? Unlike sa lens na ang center nasa gitna. Bakit? Kasi pag binuo mo to, this is a parabola, pag binuo mo to, it becomes a circle. I'm sorry, hindi maayos yung highlight niya, no? Pero pag binuo mo to, and you write another parabola, it becomes a circle. So, anything that is on the center is the center. Okay? So, this is for concave mirrors. And this is for convex mirrors. Okay? So, optics yan. Actually, sa college, 1 sem na inaaral itong mirrors na to. Okay? Sa senior high, you have this for 4th grading pa. 4th grading for STEM. STEM subjects. Okay? Okay. So, ano itong mga to? Actually, these ones are given by this equation. Paano nalalaman yung object? Paano nalalaman yung image? Okay, so we have the following equations for both lenses and mirrors, no? So we have the following equation for both lenses and mirrors. So yung 1 over O is the object distance, plus 1 over I, where I is the image distance, and 1 over F is the focal length. So, sa optics yan. Now, ano yung ibig sabihin yan? How do we decipher if it is real or virtual? Okay? Depende ulit sa mirror. Pag ang object mo, which is this one, notated as U in other equations, pero parehas lang. Pag ang sign niya positive, it is real. Pero, pag ang sign niya ay negative, it is virtual. Pero pag ang image mo, ganun din. Pag ang sign niya positive, it is real. Pag ang sign niya negative, it is virtual. Now, how about the focal length? The focal length, pag ang sign niya positive, it is convex lens. Pag negative, it is concave lens. Now, paano naman sa mirror? Pag sa mirror naman, dito ang concave naman ang positive sa mirror. Tapos, ang convex naman, ang negative. Sa mirror yan ha, sa mirror. So, baliktad siya sa lens. Yan. Ano pa? If the focal length value is also 0 naman, pag 0 naman yung value niya, then, it is a plane mirror. Okay? Such that pag plane mirror, and you use this equation here, at pag nag-0 ito, tendency, the object distance is equal to the image distance. Yun nga, that's the reason why, kung gaano ka kalayo sa mirror, ganun din kalayo yung image mo. Ganon, no? So, yun yung sa optics. And, ang sign niya ay negative. So, the negative sign indicates that your image is virtual. Okay? Anyway, this is just a summary. Kasi ile-lesson nyo pa lang to sa senior high. Actually, sa 4th grading ang coverage nito. And sa college, this is 1 sem also. Ano? So, yun. Anyway, so, let's have examples of optics. Optics, kung paano. Okay. Ito. From your book, which of the following, number 13, which of the following statements explains why light is refracted as it moves from air to glass? The answer here is A, di ba? I think we had that already. Okay, the answer. Okay, so we have number 14. Which of the following is not possible for the images formed by the lens in the accompanying figure? Actually, this figure here is concave. Okay? Concave lens siya. So, pag concave, hindi siya pwedeng maging real. So, ang answer, hindi siya pwedeng maging real. So, wrong, wrong, and wrong. So, ang answer dito ay A, B, and C. Okay? So, for concave lens. Paano ko nalaman? You just apply that equation. Anyway, your teacher would teach that to you pagdating nyo sa 4th grading. Okay? Number 15. A boy and a girl are at both sides of a room divided by a transparent glass. So, medyo nanggugulo tong example na to. Transparent yung tanong. So, which statements correctly describe what they would see through the glass? Okay, mukhang ito walang ilaw, ito may ilaw. Pero ang point kasi, this glass here is transparent. So, pag sinabi nating transparent, all is transmitted. Everything is transmitted, 100%. So, ang mangyayari, the answer is, the boy and girl would see each other through the glass. So, the answer is letter A. Okay? Number 16. When a certain light falls on a green plastic sheet and blue light is transmitted, what is the color? Okay, what is the color? Balikan natin to. Green yung plastic, tapos blue light is transmitted. Pag inad mo, green yung plastic, blue yung nakikita mo. Okay, blue yung nakikita mo. So, ang tanong, anong kulay nung source mo? Anong kulay ng source mo? Okay? So, blue yung nakikita mo. Anong kulay ng source mo? So, ibig sabihin, your color is also, your source is also color blue. Okay? That is also color blue. Okay? So, that is, di ba sabi ko kanina sa polarization sa inyo? Yan, that is also color blue. Okay, so